Hello, friends. Welcome to the show HR by Nature, where we talk to people and take their opinion mostly on the HR angle. Today, our guest is Mr. CD Walia, who's a senior leader digital at Adobe. Hello, CD. Welcome to the show.
Hey man, what's up? How's it going?
Super. By God's grace, everything is good, Adobe. Uh, CD, so good to see you.
Same here. Thank you.
Right. So, CD, it's been more than 9 weeks of this lockdown. How are you dealing with it? As per my information, you're stuck in Chandigarh. You went to Chandigarh and you're there only. So just tell us how are you dealing with it on the personal level?
I think I would not say I'm stuck. I'm glad that this happened. This gave me an opportunity to be with the family again, and I am. Uh, I'm glad that I made that decision to come over to meet my parents over the weekend, and since then that's a long weekend that I'm celebrating with my family.
That's wonderful. That's what we call blessing in disguise.
Yeah, that's true. Very true.
Wonderful. So how are you dealing with it? So it's been since then. I think you are there only. So how are you dealing with it? How your routine has changed? Maybe
I think the routine factor did not change much for me because we take care of in my professional world we take care of the North America business. So it has always been the other way around. When we work, the rest of the world sleeps. And when we sleep, the rest of my family is up. So I don't think that's much change. Yes, the screen time has gone up, that's for sure. And I'm trying to see how I can cope up with it. Loving every bit of it.
that's wonderful. That's wonderful. That's really a positive side of it. I'm also loving
Yeah.
it. Right. So tell me something else about it. Generally, when we go to office, it is we have our own plans. Organizations has its own plan to engage the employees. When employees are at their home in different geography, so how do you engage those employees at this time?
I think Adobe being the world's best, digital marketing media company, we are the pioneers of setting things up for other organizations and helping it up. We were already always ready for any such of this situation. It's just that we did not want the circumstances to be like this, but we were always ready. So the lockdown in India came, I think, on the fourth week of March, or the third and fourth week of March.
Third week.
But we were already preparing it from the first week of March, anticipating that it's going to come down. The teams were fully prepared. Our IT was fully packed up with the resources. People were already aware, updated that if the change came, how this is we are going to cope up. I think we were mentally prepared, physically prepared, and IT infrastructure was set up for all our teams. And I think that's the positive way I look into it. But again, I did not want COVID to happen. Unfortunately, it happened, and we are all dealing with it.
Right, right. So what about the engagement of the employees? So I'm just little interested on the engagement of the employees. So how are you engaging them?
I have a strong team of 26 people who directly reports into me. And as I said earlier, that we take care of the North America region, which covers the entire North America, Canada. The engagement level, we do a lot of activities on a daily basis. Let me put it that way, where I try and check on the human side first, if everybody is doing well, their loved ones are doing well. That's the first check that I have. That's very important for us from the employee experience side. If the employees are doing well, I think any organization will succeed in any circumstances. That's a strong belief that I have.
Right.
Second, we do have our regular hurdles on weekly basis where we do pulse check for the business, pulse check for our customers, and make sure that everything goes hand in hand. So yes, we are enclosed in tight in tight shell and taking care of everything positively.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So are you also using this opportunity for the training and development purpose?
Oh, yes, of course. That's the best part about it. I mean, we know that when we are at work, all that 9 or 10 hours or 11 hours that we are at work are not productive, or we cannot utilize it to our full potential. I think sitting at home and work from home brings that additional opportunity for us to grow ourselves professionally. It could be any of my interest. I have started reading a lot of books, though I am a very poor reader. I have set a target for myself to go to 25 books by end of this year. I'm at book number 3. So I'm trying my level best to get that reading habit up, which I never had. And that's the new practice that I am trying to enforce across all my employees so that they get something positive out of it and have great new learnings.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful, CD. So moving on, just want to understand that Adobe is known for its excellent retention of the employees. They have very, very less attrition in the industry in compared to the other players. So do you think that if this becomes a new normal, work from home becomes a new normal, you'll be able to sustain that attrition number or in the market, this thing?
Absolutely, Mayank. I think the policies around wellness of our employees at Adobe are very strong. As I said earlier, that we are a world's #1 digital media marketing organization. Employees make this organization #1. So policies around it are built in such a way that it is lucrative for all employees and gets engagement out of them. Just to give you an example. Since the COVID happened, Adobe has set up a budget of work from home reimbursement of US $500 for each employee across the globe to make their home look like work, where they can buy comfortable chairs, tables, computers, laptop monitors, whatever they feel that can make their work easy from home. That's just one example that I'm referring to. A lot of policies have been changed since the COVID happens, and that's for the benefit of everybody across the globe.
That's amazing. $500 per person across the globe. That must be a huge budget.
That's correct.
Oh, that's
That's a
wonderful.
huge budget, yes. Yeah.
Right. I'm sure
And
that
we
this.
also celebrated
Mhm.
global off last Friday, where our chief human resource officer gave us a global week off, an extended week off, to celebrate the immense working that each individual has put across to Adobe to make it successful as work from home. So everybody is in together.
That's wonderful. Virtual togetherness.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that's wonderful. So, this is from the organizations. So, I just want to understand that what are the expectations of the employees from the organization and how is organization catering to that?
I think being Adobe and being a part of sales team at Adobe, uh, you know, if I tell you my story as a sales leader or a salesman at Adobe, I think the topmost priority is that if my compensation or my commissions are saved or not under these circumstances. And looks like Adobe is doing the best in that area as well. Though we haven't been hit so hard because Adobe deals mostly with the subscription based model. Though the organizations who subscribe to our products have gone down, but I don't think that there has been a drastic change because, as I said earlier, we are the leading masters in the digital media marketing industry. So people or the organizations are bending towards Adobe to get their workflow involved or created in their organizations, and hence gives an Adobe a unique opportunity to extend his and help all the organization during this pandemic.
That's wonderful. So, what about the employees? I'm also interested towards the employees thing because employees' expectation from the organization. So as of now, you said that you are uh, catering to the needs of the other organizations or regarding your clients. I'm talking about your internal clients also. Internal clients means your employees.
Uh, I think employee engagement, as I mentioned earlier, is Adobe's top priority. I won't be able to comment on the bigger picture. I can comment on my group. I think we are closely intact in this situation, helping each other, knowing the facts that how Adobe can help us best in this situation as an individual, as a team. And I think we are all well settled. I have no complaints about it. I mean, I'm blessed to be part of such organization who takes care of their employees in during these situations. Looking at the global layoff for so many organizations, I think I'm in the right hands.
That's wonderful. I'm sure that every Adobe employee is best to be a part of Adobe.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. No regrets on that.
Right.
7 years and
Thank you
counting.
so Yeah, of course. I hope that many more years. Right,
Thank you
right.
for that.
Thank you so much, CD, for being on this show.
Most welcome, Yang. It was pleasure speaking to you on the perspective of how we are dealing with this situation. And I'm thankful to you for organizing these events. This becomes really fruitful for other people to look into it, maybe learn or gather some information which can be helpful in their daily business.
Right, right. Thank you so much for your words, CD. Thank you so much, friends, for watching us. I'll be back with you soon with some other personality. Till then, namaste.
Thank you. Thank you.